Hey there, I'm Caillou. And I will have funny adventures with my friends. Rosie. My annoying little sister who often gets what she deserves. Arthur. My best trusted friend, even if we sometimes get into nonsensical fights. Dora. A nice explorer to explore with along with her animal friend Boots. Leo. A friend who loves joking. Little Bill. A kid who actively gets in trouble. Jason and Jeffrey. Twin boys who plan to make lies. Clementine. Even if you think not, she is stupid. Gina. A girl who I really like but hard to make her like me back when she is not interested. TW, Dora Winifred. Arthur's spoiled sister, and always have to follow her rules, stay away from her, Emma. She is a smart girl in the top of the class, especially when there's a furious substitute.
Ello, in Javier, Annie había real de Spanish accent.
Robbie. He really loves arguing with his teacher. Andre, the coolest kid at my school.
Oh, that's right, I'm cool.
Sarah, she is a smart girl to get us out of trouble. Timmy and Wesley.
Guess our favorite hobby? Causing mischief.
Caillou and his friends will give you a laugh and you'll have fun with his adventures.
Caillou's Hiccups trouble.
Yeah, I avoided the blue shell.
Caillou, it's time to go to school. Pack your things now.
Oh no, please Bowser, no, don't push me in the void, no 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 no, oh no. Huh?
Hello Caillou.
Good morning, Caillou.
Ayo Caillou.
Ha!
Ugh, how stupid of you.
How stupid of me. How stupid of me. But what did I do wrong?
You know what you did a weird sound to me, don't do it ever again.
Wow! That's a really rare sound I heard.
What kind of sound? It was just a hiccup.
So that must be some kind of hiccups. How funny that Caillou is.
Come on Emma, let's go and leave this stupid hiccup excusser alone.
Don't laugh Arthur, I don't like being slapped by Gina.
Oh come on. Caillou, aren't you gonna move your butt and solve this math problem before the end of the world?
You see Mr. Ratburn, this is what I need to tell you, I have.
Is that what you want to show? A stupid noise.
That's it Caillou, I had enough of your faces. Now you write 100 times that you will not show funny faces to me. And if you do it again you will have a surprise quiz.
That's not fair. I don't even do it on purpose.
There must be some medicine for that hiccups.
Okay Caillou, you may say Introduction to Computer Science and Programming on the microphone.
Okay, here I go. Introduction to Computer Science.
Introduction to Computer Science and Hip Hip. Caillou, why do you use this stupid sound on the radio? Everyone will embarrass you if they see it.
But I don't do it on purpose. I have the hiccups.
Ugh.
see guys, I can't control my mouth. It makes a weird hiccup.
Aha, I know what it is. You've got the hiccups of PC guy. Oh, what nonsense are you saying now, Bill? Nah, I was sure you don't know about it. It's actually a rare hiccups.
Hey, thanks, but I thought smartest.
Just listen to the story, you'll see. Once upon a time, PC guy read a book. When he read the page 92, he found out that Caillou bitted his sister when he was younger. PC guy was really upset with Caillou when he found this out. PC guy went to his evil lair, and decided to teach Caillou an embarrassing lesson, giving him the weird hiccups.
That Caillou will feel the worst embarrassment of his whole life.
Yup, that's it. You shouldn't have bitted your sister Caillou. That is a complete false story. Nope. It's really true. You're just upset 'cause you don't like this story. Ha ha.
Great.
What?
Don't worry, Anderson. I've already went through that hiccups before. The reason why he has the hiccups, it's because he is bald and wears a yellow shirt, so you'll have to give him coffee and soda to get rid of the hiccups. And if that doesn't work, the definitive way is to burn him up. It doesn't matter if it hurts or not, he may have a good time with all of his body burned.
Oh no.
Nonsense.
Great. I don't want to burn my ass. I am out of this hospital.
Caillou. Caillou, stop it.
Why
Let's go home, young man.
I don't want to go. I don't want my ass burned. I say I don't want my ass burned. It will be so much pain, and I'll die. Let me get.
What? Caillou?
Caillou.
You will never catch me.
Caillou, get back here. Yeah. You're little. Caillou, what is wrong with you? If we did that, then that's for your own good.
You know, Wesley, we really have to save Caillou from the hiccups. We can't let him have more trouble.
What? You have just met Super Andre. What can I do for you?
What the fuck, Andre? Why are you disguised like this?
Because my mission is to save Caillou from a hiccups. What? Will they allow you to do so? Don't worry, I just won't go to class and I will hide somewhere.
Oh, what the fuck? Are you sure you won't get in trouble?
Don't worry about me, I know what I'm doing. See ya. There he is.
Oh. Andre.
Ugh, at recess.
Hey. Who is in a rush like that?
So still with the hiccups, huh? You had it since yesterday?
What's up? Super Andre to the rescue.
What the fuck, Andre? Will they let you go to class like that?
My mission is to save Caillou from a weird hiccups.
Wow. What are your techniques?
Just wait and you'll see.
Shit. Are you sure you're gonna jump that high?
Absolutely sure. Now be quiet because you'll fail the jump.
What? You're gonna kill me?
Certainly not.
Die.
Andre, I think you could have gotten in trouble for doing that.
We are not worrying about me getting in trouble, we are worrying about the hiccups. Weird. That did not work? Now Caillou, whatever happens, stay calm, and take some deep breaths.
Okay, do it.
Dating.com is not a safe website, Gina. People can't write a scam and do any harm to you.
My Caillou, that was an awesome landing. You know, I think I should regret slapping you yesterday. So you know what? You're so handsome.
Caillou? Caillou, wake up, Caillou. It's okay.
Maybe his girlfriend blowing him a kiss was the cause of his faint. On the bright side, he stopped hiccuping. Oh no. No more superpower.
What's going on here?
Oh. You fainted and now you're awake again.
Yes. No more embarrassing hiccups, all thanks to Gina's blow kiss.
Looks like my mission as a superhero here is done on time.
Huh? Is he crazy?
Nah, he is just gonna ask her out but probably fail.
Gina. You've actually saved me from the weird hiccups which gave me a lot of trouble. And that makes me more braver to tell you something that I always wanted to tell you. I actually have a crush on you and you are so cute. So please, can you kiss me on my forehead even if I'm bald?
I still don't like you back, Mr. Baldy, and you actually got pranked when I blew you a kiss. Come on. Let's go somewhere where Baldy Caillou isn't here.
Even if Gina rejected me, I'm still glad this hiccups is over now.